Let's see the next question. And the question is, the lower window of a house is at a height of 2 meters above the ground, and its upper window is 4 meters vertically above the lower window. At certain extent, the angle of elevation of a balloon from these windows are observed to be 60 degree and 30 degree. Find the height of the balloon. So suppose that this is a window number 1, which is 2 meters from base, and the next window is 4 meters vertically above it, means this 4 meters from second window, and at that time the angle of elevation of the balloon is 60 and 30 degree. Suppose that it's a balloon from the first window, the angle of elevation 60 degree, from second window the angle of elevation 30 degree. So find the height of the balloon. Then you want to find H. This is CD, DE and EF divided into 3 parts. So let the height of balloon to be H meter. Take any triangle. If you take this X, also X, also X, same. So in any triangle, question 5, in triangle BCD, tan 30, that is perpendicular upon base 1 by root 3, CD not given, but we can write in place of CD, that is H minus 6, and BD is X. So here no need of X, so we can find the value of X, equation number first. Same, this whole part is 6, so the remaining part is H minus 6. Same for this is H minus 2. So use next triangle AEC tan 60 CE upon AE, root 3 H minus 6 for here. So here is H minus 2 upon AE, that is X. So put the value of X here. So what you get, root 3 into is equal to H minus 2 from first. Means from first the value of X put in this equation. So root 3 is same, X is this, H minus 2 same. Open the bracket, that is 3 into H, 3 into 6, then 3H minus H, 2H is equal to 16, so H is equal to 8 meter, means the height of balloon is 8 meter. Okay, so pause the video, note down. See next question. Later question. A boy whose eyes level is 1.3 meter from the ground spots a balloon moving with the wind in a horizontal line at some height from the ground. The angle of elevation of the balloon from the eyes of the boy at an instant is 60 degree. After 2 seconds, the angle of elevation reduced to 30 degree. If the speed of wind is 29 to 3 meter per second, then find the height of the balloon from the ground. So, 1.3 meter tall, stand on the ground, a moving balloon. This is at fixed height. The height of here and here both the same. It's changed the angle from 60 to 30. Is first the angle 60 degree, change to 30 degree within 2 seconds. From B to C at a speed of 29√3 meter per second. Means from B to C the balloon reach in 2 seconds and the speed of the balloon is 29√3 meter per second. So find the height of the balloon. So name them. Same two triangles, we want to combine them. But time speed given, you can find the value of distance. Speed into time. So distance got speed into time. So speed is given 29√3 into time 2, that is 58√3 meter is the distance between B and C. Then combine two triangle. Tan 30 in triangle ACD, CD upon AD 1/√3. CD is H minus 1.3 and AD is, I don't know. So the AD is √3 H minus 1.3. Second triangle ABE tan 60. This triangle BE upon AE √3 B H minus 1.3 upon AE. So A is equal to H minus 1.3 upon √3. And BC is given. So you know BC is equal to AD minus AE. If you see the figure, that is whole AD and this is AE. So whole AD minus AE is equal to ED. And ED is equal to BC. So then put value of BC 58√3 AD √3 H minus 1.3 AE H minus 1.3 upon √3. H minus 1.3 common. √3 minus 1 upon √3 is same as. Take the LCM here. So √3 LCM upon 1. √3 into √3 3 1 1 into 1 1. Set opposite side. So 58 root 3 is same. H minus 1.3 is same. And this whole sent to opposite side. So root 3 in multiplication form and 3 minus 1 is 2 in division form. That is 29. So that is 29 into 3 plus 1.3 is equal to H. So H is equal to 87 plus 1.3, that is 88.3 meter is the height of the balloon. Okay, pause, we note down. Hey students, let's see the next question. From window H meter above the ground of a house in a street, the angle of elevation and the depression of the top and the bottom of the other house on opposite side of the street are theta and phi, so that the height of the opposite house is H 1 plus tan theta cot phi meter. So let's see. From H meter high window, from this window another house is opposite side of the street, the angle of elevation of the top and the depression of the bottom is theta and phi. So prove that the height of the house is H 1 plus tan theta and cot phi meter. Then solve them. Let the height to be H, capital H. So this part is H minus H. In triangle AEC, we want to use cot phi. Here cot phi, so you will use cot phi. Base upon perpendicular, AE upon H cot phi. So AE equal to H cot phi. Equation first. We use triangle ADE tan theta, DE upon AE, DE H minus H, and AE is H cot phi from first equation. Then cross multiply. H minus H is equal to H cot phi tan theta. H cot phi tan theta, S and opposite side, plus H. H taken common, cot phi tan theta plus 1. Same process, only it's a proving part. So we have to combine the two triangles and we get the solution. Okay, so pause the video and note down. See this question. A highway lead to the feet of 300-meter tower. An observatory is set at the top of the tower. It sees a car moving towards a width and angle of depression is 30 degree. After 15 seconds, angle of depression becomes 60 degree. Means from a (300-meter high tower, from this point a car comes, the angle of depression is 30 degree, and after 15 seconds The angle of depression changed to 60 degree. So find the distance traveled by the car during this time. Question 1. What is the distance? And how is the observatory is helpful to regulate the traffic of highway? So there is no need of time. Also find the, if you want to find the speed of the car. 60 degree and 30 degree. Elevation equal depression. Take x. Then using triangle DBC, tan 60 DC upon BC, 300 upon x. So x goes 300 upon root 3. Rationalize them. I hope you know this process, because these types of process using in same question. Value of x we get, that is 100 root 3 meter. Then in triangle ACD, tan 30 DC upon AC, 1 by root 3, 300 upon AC is D plus x, multiply D plus x is 100 root 3, 300 root 3. D is equal to 300 root 3 minus 100 root 3, 200 root 3 meter. This is the distance between them. That is equal to 200 into 1.732, 34.3464, 00, 346.4 meter is the distance traveled by car in 15 seconds. Means from the tower, a man see the car an angle of depression 30 degree. After 15 seconds, the angle change 60 degree from the height of 300 meter. So find the distance traveled by car in 15 seconds. That is the 346.4 meter. Then find the speed. Suppose that is extra. Speed equal to distance upon time. 346.4 upon 15 meter per second. That's the want. If you change it, so you can change it. Okay. Pause the video. Note down.